Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Disassembling an adjustable sleep number bed is a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. First, you need to prepare the area around your bed. Clear out any furniture or clutter to give yourself space. You will need a few basic tools like a flathead screwdriver and an Allen wrench. Start by using the remote to deflate the air bladders completely. Unplug the firmness control system from the wall outlet. Carefully remove the mattress cover by unzipping it all the way around. Take out the foam border walls and the foam topper. Disconnect the air hoses from the bladders by pressing the quick-release tabs. Lift the bladders out and set them aside. Now you can focus on the adjustable base. Locate the wires connecting the motors to the control box. Carefully unplug each wire and secure them with zip ties. Use your Allen wrench to loosen the bolts holding the side rails together. Remove the mattress retainers at the foot of the bed. Lift the platform panels off the frame. If your base has legs, unscrew them by hand or with a wrench. Keep all small screws and bolts in a labeled plastic bag. This will make reassembly much easier later. Fold the metal frame components carefully to avoid pinching your fingers. Wrap the electronic components in bubble wrap for protection during the move. Your sleep number bed is now fully disassembled and ready for transport. This method works for most modern adjustable models. Make sure to handle the heavy base pieces with a partner to stay safe and prevent any accidental physical injury.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.